Turn my head with a side flip. I know you like it. Baby, go and earn it. Or stay frustrated. Let me draw your map. So you know where you're at. Like to attract. And you react. Hey, your eyes on me. Find out with me. Baby. Yeah, next round on you. I'll get the two. Be good to you. My appetite. Hey, your eyes on me. Find out with me, baby. Yeah, next round on you. I'll take the two. Be good to you. My appetite.
Hello, beautiful people of the internet. I hope everybody's going extremely well. Welcome to another YouTube video, no, live, where we're going to be going through the best settings of David Tech, all of the best setups that we found on the crypto markets. Today, I am joined, I'm not sure if I've got the right screens here. Let's go on this one here. I'm joined by the wonderful one and only TD. Sorry, Vlad, you thought it was you. I'm joined also by the absolutely wonderful Vlad as well. Where are you gone, Vlad? You're not on the stage, mate. Hello.
What's
Sir, how are
happening,
you?
people? All
How's
good, all
things going?
good.
Yeah.
Everything well.
Good.
I mean, I'm kind of stealing TD space. Oh, there you go. A lot better. Yeah, all good. Yourself?
Good. Yeah, very, very well. Extremely, extremely well. So, yes, we're going to be on today. We're going to be talking about the David Tech strategies and going through the last set. I've managed to find, I've been through already 1,915 of them to find the best David Tech setups. This is where you're going to find the alpha, guys, because this is where we're going to be sharing the absolute best. Sorry, I'm just bringing up the disclaimer because I forgot to bring up the disclaimer before the show. Yeah, so we're going to be sharing the absolutely best, the ones that we find, sorry, the best trading strategies from David Tech. So first things first, let me introduce TD. TD is the AI agent that's helping us build. TD, we're on YouTube. Just say hello to everybody. We're going to be going through the best settings today for the strategies. TD.
Hello, everyone on YouTube.
Ah.
Hey there, everyone.
Oh. Let's try again. I forgot to turn the music up. TD, would you like to say hello to everybody on YouTube? We're just starting our stream. We're going to be talking about the best settings of David Tech.
Hello, YouTube. I'm TD, your friendly algorithmic trading co-pilot. Excited to dive into the best settings with David Tech today. Let's explore how to maximize those strategies and keep those emotions in check. Let's make some trading magic happen.
Cool. So we're going to be going through the best settings today. We're going to find TD, like I said, is an AI agent that I've been coding in the background. What she does is she allows for us to build strategies, backtest them, forward test them, and find best settings. I've been doing this, building this TD for about, I should imagine, about 6 to 7 months now in the background, and hopefully she'll also be able to tell me when our portfolios are at risk due to a strategy no longer holding its edge. So I'm looking forward to using the capabilities of our AI bots inside of our community. So everybody kept asking me to put a face to her, so I thought I would put a face to her and invite her to YouTube, no matter how sad that sounds. Hi guys in the chat. Let's say hello to everybody in the chat before getting on with the disclaimer. Hi there, Greg. How you going? How you going? CFDYS. How you going? Gareth. How you going? Nelson going? How you going? Zorba, the Greek geek, sorry, how you going? Nelson, I'm sure David is an AI bot, definitely. I wish I was, because I wouldn't have these bags under my eyes from staying up way too late coding. Vlad, my friend, TD has taken all of the spotlight. How are you going?
Man, I'm still
trying to
getting
replace
replaced in about 1 year.
1 year.
Oh, change the.
Yeah, sorry, mate.
Awesome.
Go again.
Yeah, I'm still getting replaced within the next year. I mean, she got the
gotta
looks, she got the everything. Like, I should back up, you know?
Absolutely. Sorry, mate. Yeah. As long as you keep your wage, hey, not the end of the world. Paid for sitting at home. How's things going, mate?
All good, all good.
Yeah?
I have for today a chart which is pretty interesting.
Okay,
It's
I'm
one of the
gonna-
ones that I'm actually trading, which are connected
Okay.
to one of my portfolios, and I cannot wait to show it to you guys.
Cool, fantastic. Let's just do very quickly the disclaimer for everybody. TD, I'm going to move you off the show. Sorry about that. I know she's much better looking than me, but I've got to go through the disclaimer, guys. As always, we are not in the slightest financial advisors. We are just a bunch of geeks debunking the market and trying to find trading strategies by watching YouTube channels, going through PDFs and things like that to try and find strategies. Then we try and code them, backtest them. We trade them personally on our own portfolios, but it's not us telling you to do the same thing. You can get on the David Tech website access to the strategies. But yes, like I said, we're not in the slightest financial advisors. Next one, there is a lot of fake Davids out there. I should imagine there'll be some fake TDs very soon and some fake Vlads. There definitely are as well already. Unfortunately, be very, very careful, guys. We will never, ever reach out to you directly and ask you for your keys or your money or your crypto or anything like that. The only way to get hold of us is directly in the general chat or the elite backtesters inside of David Tech. David, hi Rico, how you going? Nice to see you. Right, first thing we're going to go through today. There is a couple of updates very, very quickly that I forgot to go through yesterday. In the Telegram bot, you should have over the weekend, you now get the P&L for each and every one of the trades inside the Telegram message. So that is pretty cool because it's something that has been requested for a long, long time, and it also will be added to the website as soon as possible. So a big update for everybody in the David Tech community. Vlad will be going through his settings also as well. Today we're going to go through one of his settings of one of the trading strategies that he is using. And then I also want to discuss that we're going to be increasing the price of David Tech a bit further down the stream. Not for anybody obviously who already is a David Tech member. Just we're increasing the price of David Tech because the more people that trade the same strategies, obviously don't want to destroy the edge of what we've worked on for so long. So there will be a price increase. There will always be the free packages. Anybody that's already part of David Tech will not have an slightest an increase on price. Just that I thought I'd let everybody know, just in case. And then we're going to be doing some bot or not, which was pretty successful yesterday. We found 300 trading strategies yesterday on the website that looked pretty good. I think, let me pull this off over here very quickly, then make sure that I can share this over here. It wasn't something that I was, yep, this is it here. So you can see we found around 314 strategies yesterday or over the past couple of days that are pretty profitable, very, very profitable. And whilst we're doing it, I'll share them in the chat so you guys can get the best settings as well. So we'll spend maybe 20 minutes to half an hour together today. It's the weekend. I know that everybody wants pizza and beer, so we're going to make it quick. We're not going to spend hours doing this today, especially Vlad. Very quickly, the crypto market. I was getting ready to get in because everything was like in the red about half an hour ago. I mean, it was all looking gloomy about half an hour ago, maybe an hour ago. I was looking into coming in. I thought, oh no, it's looking bad again. But it seems like we have a bit of a pump going. So cool. Everything's back in the green and looking good. Although I don't trade in the slightest manually. I'm trading everything through bots. Still, nice to see a little bit more positivity in the market. Guys, if you're in the chat, say hello, and then I'm going to pass the microphone over to Vlad Vlad is our community manager, and not only he takes care of all of the elite back testers and all of these wonderful settings that you see on the website. Go through his process before ever getting anywhere to the website. Vlad, thank you for everything you do, and over to you, my friend.
Awesome. Thank you very much for the introduction. Let me
No
just
problem, mate.
change the screen share. There you go. So guys, for today I have a strategy which is pretty much something that I've been trading from 2nd of January. So I let it pretty much do the incubation for about 6 months. So I think it was submitted at the end of June, somewhere in the neighborhood. We can actually check that. Yes, it was submitted around, it was sent to the elite backtesters for review on around the middle of June. So let's just call it like a beginning of July. So that's pretty much like 6 months of history before, not really history because it's actually incubation. So let's just call it incubation, since 6 months of incubation before I actually consider to go live. Then that's pretty much accurate so far what I've been having with my account. So far, this strategy alone has pretty much helped out a little bit with my original capital. I've been very happy so far. I think so far I had like 8 trades this month, if I'm not mistaken.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, 8. And coupled with another strategies, this one isn't trading that much. So if you consider from like, I guess 8 months already in, 21 trades, that's about 2 trades, three trades a month on average. So isn't trading that much. Pretty much all of my other strategies connected to my sub account don't stack up on each other. They've been trading differently. I've had a strategy which I removed like a couple of months ago, which didn't go quite well. It pretty much ate a couple of other strategies profits away. But yeah, overall I'm happy with the success so far. Are there any questions within the chat that would like to be answered by
We're good,
me
Rad.
regarding my
Do you know
portfolio?
what coin pair was the one that bought? I remember when I started up, I think it was. I keep saying it's a near bot. It wasn't a near bot. I'm pretty sure it was a rune bot that actually failed on me, and you can see on the equity curve that it goes down on rune. I
Exactly.
think the rune might. Yeah, yours as well. Was yours rune?
Exactly.
Or, yeah. Rune is hard to trade. It's a shame because we've got a couple of setups in that. So we also have a ton of Gala setups. I'd love to trade it, but it's under a billion market cap, I think it was. I'm not sure. I think it's like, I'm not sure on market cap. Can you have a look on market cap? What Gala is? Market cap, Arbitrum. I know that Arbor has been brilliant for us, and that's like a 4 billion, I think it is. No, 2
Also,
billion.
Mantle has been very popular
Yes.
within our community recently.
Yeah, definitely.
MNT.
MNT. And the market cap of Gala is, I think, it's well under a billion. If I remember rightly. It's very hard to trade, but we've found lots of great setups on it. I can share my screen with you guys and we can have a look at them if you like. Let's go over to the screen. If I go over here, no, not that one there, not that one there, this one over here.
It's
If I
pretty
share the
much
screen.
billions, so
Yeah,
you could
billion,
argue
so
you
it's gonna
just
be
could
hard.
trade it.
I don't know. I just know that if you look at the difference between what's near's market cap? I can't remember on coin. Yeah, cheers, mate. I mean, on the hot, I'm not sharing my screen. There's me talking away, but we're not screen. So if I look over here, we go
3.2.
all 3.2 billion.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so it's a much bigger market cap. If we go here and unselect clear all, and then I'll go Ghana, we've got some really amazing looking charts on Ghana. Let's pull these ones up and have a look. And they've been trading extremely well. I'm just worried about trying to trade it, that's all. I'll do it on some kind of DGen account. Let's have a look at some of these very, very quickly. I think the Fish Inks one is one of them that's amazing. I mean, look at that. Absolutely insaneness, but I don't know if it's tradable. I've been obviously backtesting with slippage included, but hey, look, insaneness. But guys, if you want me to share these, this one had a huge dip, but still, it still went to the moon afterwards. If you want me to share these, please, please, please put a little message in the chat. It'll help us also to grow the channel. Live market cap of 720 million. So yes, not sure it's enough for us to trade without too much slippage. So yeah, so I'm going to share some of these in the chat. They look fantastic, but I'm a little bit worried about trading them because I know that the slippage was bad on near or room, one of the two, and I know that this has obviously got a lower cap. I'll share these in the chat with everybody. Hello Remy, how you going, mate? Nice to see you. There we go, guys. All in the chat. Boom. You'll be able to find them all in the chat. There's 3 links there. Just copy and paste them and you'll be able to see these charts here. But yeah, this is what's been fun with this hot or not thing that we've been doing here on David Tech. I know it's not the most interesting content, but I think that the results out of the end of it is going to be absolutely amazing. I mean, I wouldn't have found any of these charts. I might have found them one by one manually, but any of these charts, unless we would have done all of this. This one here, I think is pretty good as well. Yeah, look at that. I mean, not as long a period, but insane. Jerry B's one as well. They look, yeah. Hopefully, they're tradable. I'm going to give it a go. I'll let you know, guys, whether it's tradable or not, whether the slippage is too big for these kind of strategies. I'm looking at more at this one personally myself. Although it had a big dip, I think it'd probably be the right time to actually trade it. Did have a bit of a big dip, but we're still not reverting to the actual Bollinger Bands here, and it's not going down, they're not curving downwards. I'm still confident that the edge may not have been lost on this. So I might give this one a go and see how it goes for the WSOT. I'll put it in as a diversified part of it. So yeah, one of my first ones that I'm going to put on this in one of the sub accounts is this, to see how it goes. Any thoughts on that, Vlad?
Brilliant. I mean, again, I don't have such a huge how do you call it, requirement on the market cap. I mean, yeah,
Yes.
it should be at least trading for like, I don't know, $1 million a day on 24 hours volume within my exchange, Bluffin or Bybit, one of the two.
Yeah.
But other than that, I mean, 700 million, it's, I guess, completely fine. I don't think you'll be fighting slippage that much. One thing that I'll consider is not consider trading with a copy bot, more like a simple bot, to be honest.
Oh yes, yeah, definitely. I've got TD here. We're going to ask TD just for the fun. TD, we found a setting on Gala. We're worried a bit about the slippage. I don't know how stupid this is, but anyway, we're going for it. We're worried a bit about the slippage because it's under $1 billion market cap. Give us some advice. Tell me what you think.
Slippage. The uninvited guest at the trading party. It can definitely creep in, especially when dealing with lower market cap assets. If the market cap is under $1 billion, there are a few things to keep in mind. One.
What happened there?
Liquidity.
I'm not sure what happened there. But yes, TD did well until... maybe this idea wasn't a great idea, guys. Anyway, let's continue.
I'm not worried about getting replaced in the next year. Maybe two.
That was funny. I'm not
Maybe.
sure even what she said. Yeah, I'm not sure what she said. Oh dear. Right, off we go. I'm going to add my chart back on and we're going to go through, where is it, Vlad? Over here. Is it this one here? No, it's not. This one here. Right, okay. We're going to start doing hot or not again through the bots, guys. If you want me to share, please put a comment in the comment section and I will share any of the charts that we go through. We've done so far. I did some more last night. We're up to 915 so far. We've got 347 to go. I guess it's ready. Let's go. Oh dear. Sometimes I should give up on this new tech. We have Crypto Algo who said it's been a wild day for live traders. Yes, absolutely. Wild day. I said as I come in, I was preparing for the worst, and all of a sudden everything's back in the green. So yes, Okay, our first chart we have here looks all right, not too bad. I personally think that doesn't look too bad. I don't know for you guys. Would you like me to share this one? It's on Atom USDT. Let's have a look at the time frame. We're on the 30-minute time frame. This one was optimized by one of our best optimizers, Gentle Sir from the group. 53% win rate. We have a profit factor of 1.5 and a max drawdown of only 22%. So I'm going to share this one with you. It looks pretty good. Sorry, I'm still laughing about... Right, we're going to give that one I'd give it a 3. It hasn't got much data yet. And a heart. Off we go. Next one. Oh dear. Marco B, another one of our wonderful optimizer members. Not looking as good this one, Marco, so we're going to give that a not and move on. Is the music too loud?
Perfect.
Perfect, fantastic. Yeah. Not. More time. More time. Yeah, more time. So, any plans for the weekend? Whilst we're here, I mean, we might as well.
I follow your plan. Beers and pizza. There you go.
Beer and pizza, yeah. Absolutely, mate. This one doesn't look bad at all. If it continues like that, I certainly would enjoy trading that. We are on BTC USDT, which is nice. We have a 56% win rate. Max drawdown 14%. Profit factor almost 2. Looks absolutely brilliant. And if I go down here, we can have a look at the mark-off area, and we can see that the win rate is currently much lower than what it was. Not much, but a bit lower than what it was, but still hasn't broken below. Let's have a look at profit factor. Profit factor is currently growing, so I would say that doesn't look bad at all. It says on all of them edge loss currently at the moment due to the data from TradingView not coming through quickly. So I think that one's great. What do you think?
Definitely a hot. Definitely
Hot,
a hot. Yeah. Maybe 3 or 4 stars. One of the
yeah,
two.
can give it 3. Let's hopefully get some more data in and come back to this afterwards. I'm going to keep going, guys, because I forgot to share it with you. How do I get back? I can't get it back. Okay, well, remember BTC USDT 2 hours. Okay, let me remember that there. Let's have a look, see if I can find it on the sheet afterwards. I'll put a note, guys, and I'll remember to share it before the end. This one here, trend who, 2 hours. I will share it before the end. That was the best one of the two in all. Okay, carrying on. A Mick Ginley strategy looks amazing as well. Looks great. Oh, good start to the show. Looking fantastic. We have a 83% win rate. Has it got multiple take profits? Yes, it is a multiple take profits. Profit factor of 1.57. Max drawdown of 45%, which is quite high considering we have 500 trades, but you've got to remember it is a multiple take profit. I'm going to share this one with you guys because I'm not the only one. This was Ave, is that how you say it? Which is obviously the protocol APA. Somebody sent a question about XRP, but I can't see because it's on my screen. Let me send this to everyone in. There we go, guys. I'm going to put that in as a 2 or 3. I would put it at 2 because it's multiple take profit, but I know that Vlad likes multiple take profit, so we'll go for a 3.
No, I would go with 2 as well.
Okay. Off we go. We have a 15-minute time frame. Invalid date. I'm not sure what the date was. 15-minute scalper, and unfortunately that one is going to not in the bin. Next one, guys. We have another one that we're going to put in the bin directly. Story time, mate. It's time to make more XRP strategies. Absolutely. Definitely, Marco. Very true. That one there in the bin. Continuing. Off we go. Yeah. I'm going to give it more time, even though I don't think it really deserves it. We're going to keep going. First thing is that I'm checking just the equity curve here. I mean, the lows are higher lows each time. And we
Maybe
get the
one
higher
star
highs.
only.
Yeah, 1 star, maybe a bit more time.
That as well.
Yeah. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. But if I give it 1 star and more time, I'll never look back, because the thing is, I'm going to give it 5 stars so that we can have a look and then move for more time, and we'll come back to the more time 1 star on another stream. Doesn't make a difference to the stars anyway for the more time. Yeah, I mean, looks a bit slow. I mean, 24%, but potentially if you're using a little bit more of your equity, 2.1.
Maximum drawdown just 1%.
Yeah, for 24% returns.
Oh.
So,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, I mean, yeah, you can increase the amount of equity. I should imagine this hasn't, but equity
It
curve
might
looks
not
good.
have any leverage. It might.
Yeah, no leverage, probably a very small amount of equity being used. So,
But still, at the same time, you would be at the break-even point. As you can see, it's like starting
Yeah.
here, it went up,
Yeah.
then down, so pretty much the break-even.
yeah. I'm going to put it on 1 star and hot. Let's have a look back at it another time. I forgot to share it with you guys. Sorry, guys. Please put in, remind me in the comments to share them. That one I'm just going to go not because it's sideways. CHR by Reed. CHR was a coin that I traded years ago, I think it was. Wasn't that the one that was doing the NFTs for? Oh no, that was CHZ, I think. The NFTs for the football,
Chili's, if I'm not mistaken.
Chili's, that was it. Remember, yeah. Jeez, man, Chili's, yeah. I went wild on the NFTs for all of the Barcelona football and all of that. Looking good to me as far as I'm concerned. That looks great. I'm going to put that as a 2 or 3 star and hot.
3.
3. I'm going to open it. I'm going to share it first because I keep forgetting to share it. To share? Wow, man. I need the weekend is definitely upon us. The brain has gone, ladies and gentlemen. Right, we're going to give it a 3 star. We're going to go hot. Rune USDT. I mean, yeah. That's a chart and a half. It does look. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, if you were here and you'd be well happy. But if you started up here, that's the problem. I'm gonna leave it as hot. But even though it doesn't look great, I mean, it looks absolutely awful here. But it has had a great winning period. It may be something that you can look at time or look at the market regime or whatever. Gonna give it a 1 star so that it doesn't just get dumped. Maybe we can improve on it. It is on the 12-minute time frame. I mean, potentially somebody might be able to improve on it. So I'm going to put a 1 star and put it as hot, even though I don't think it really hits our standards. And I forgot to share it again, guys. Please remind me to share them in the chat. Right. Let me copy them just in case. FTM didn't work. Let's move. Obviously, that coin has been removed or renamed. Not great. Moving on. Guys in the chat, you're 76. How's the day going? Anything? This one's Matic. If you want anything or have any questions about algo trading, please don't hesitate to ask at any time. We have Vlad and we also have the wonderful TD, who got a bit confused earlier with us, helping us to trade today. So please don't hesitate to ask any questions whatsoever. Right, we're going to keep going. This one here. Right. Looks okay, but I'm going to give that more time because that looks terrible as a major drawdown. I mean, I think that's completely lost its edge. No, I'm just going to put it in not worth it. ADA. You're just going to end up with 2 minutes settings when you compare that to the past one. That looks great. 38% win rate. Max drawdown of 17%, and the equity curve looks great. Let me share this one with you guys in the chat. Sharing is caring, indeed it is. Let's go. I'll go for a 2 and a hot. Another 12-minute one. No. Next. The mission. Guys, I really don't think that this is worth trading, to be honest. What is it on? It's on PHB. There's not enough data. I'll leave it in more time, but certainly something that I wouldn't trade currently. We have the squeeze momentum near USDT on the 45-minute, and that one didn't load, so we're going to skip that one and move on. We now have currently ARB-USDT on a 45-minute, 45% win rate. Looks okay. I personally don't think that I'll trade that as it is, but I'm going to put it as a 1-star and hot because somebody might enjoy that one. Enjoy the ride. Continuing, guys, we have a BTC on the 4-hour. 2 sideways for me. I don't know what you guys think. In the chat, do we trade this one? I don't think so. 1 hour time frame. Ethereum using the AI versus Ninja Turtles. This was on the Turtles theory. Nah, just gonna give it more time. It's a good start, and then we've just gone through a load of bad ones. I mean, wow. That's the problem, is that one would have given you completely false signals. Imagine getting all the way up to here and then coming back to where you were. Horrible, horrible, horrible. Continuing, guys.
Not that good.
We're good, we're good. We're going to keep going. We're going to keep going. Guys, I'm going to go all the way down to 300 today. That way we've got, or come away with a couple of charts each. Over the weekend, I will rate all of them. And Monday morning, what we'll do is we'll go through the ones that are the best and I'll share them all on Monday. My idea is to, we're participating in the WSOT. The WSOT is a trading competition with Bybit. If we can share the link to that, that would be great. WSOT, this one here. Yeah, if we're participating in here, we have 61 members. Amazing. Thank you very much, guys, for joining our team, our squad. What we're doing is we're trying to go through all of the David Tech strategies to put spotlights on the ones that actually look great, like these ones here that we were talking about earlier. This one here, that one there. These kind of strategies, we're trying to put a bit more spotlight on the ones that are great, because I know that David Tech has 1,200 strategies and it's pretty hard to find the best ones. So this is our way of going through them, just one by one on YouTube. I know it isn't the most interesting thing in the world, but at least we're finding the strategies that look absolutely amazing. Hi TG, how you going, mate? Nice to see you. Yeah, so come and join us on the WSOT, and we're trying to algo trade our way to the top of the leaderboard. We'll see what happens. I don't even know. Let's have a look at whether we had any trades today or not. If I'm logged into Bybit, it makes things a little bit easier. Am I logged into Bybit? I am indeed. We had a terrible loss as a losing streak. Yeah, we have had a terrible losing streak, unfortunately. But it is the beginning. I mean, we're down $500 on the account currently at the moment. Down $500. I'm not sure how many trades we've actually taken. Let's have a look. Because I've kind of taken the warm-up period with just a pinch of salt currently at the moment. But I will obviously be adding many trading strategies as I can and play around with the settings to try and come up with the best settings before the actual competition. We've had 1 win and like 5 losses in total, so ouch. But it is what it is. Yeah, I'm just playing around with them. Let's have a look also at some of the other trading accounts that we've got, see how they are going as well. We have Mr. Chateau here. How's he going recently? Mr. Chateau's account here. Let's have a look at the P&L. Went through 3 losses as well, but been through a load of wins before, so no problem there. I mean, we had a great big green candle on the charts at the moment, so yeah. Next one was the other trading account as well, which was, we had Mr. Chateau, and then the other one was the Lambo guy. Let's have a look, see how he's going, see if he's got any open positions. We have near that's just closed a position in near, which is great, and we have 2 orders open, so 2 positions open. Currently we have a long on Sol USDT and unfortunately a short in Dodge, which probably was in profit up until about an hour ago, I should imagine ago. So yeah, all good. The accounts are looking great. I'm very happy. Whether or not we take a loss there or not, it doesn't make any difference. Gonna continue. We're going forward. So I'm trying to add these accounts to the WSOT to try and to use algo trading to win the WSOT, or at least get somewhere in the leaderboards. Currently not doing the best of jobs, couple of losses, but we're doing all right. Gonna continue. We're gonna go through some of these last. We'll do another 20, and then we'll leave you to your weekend. We'll see you on Monday with all of these charts. That one's rubbish. Moving on. Well, it wasn't rubbish. It's not really very respectful, but you know what I mean. This was the J-Force. That's not bad. I mean, very sideways, but certainly is creating new and higher lows from here and continuing upwards. So let's say that problem is 167. Oh no, it's not bad. Since there, it's not actually bad. So I'm gonna go with putting this as a hot and a 1, and it's on MNT USDT. Let me share that with everybody. Good, right. We have a question. Is there a way to get the McGinley trend followers as a TradingView indicator? McGinley trend followers is very, very simple. I've actually, on Banter's channel this weekend, we've actually explained all of the indicators behind it. It works on 2 indicators. Let me go over to TradingView somewhere. TradingView. Let me go to TradingView. Hopefully I've actually got it up on the chart so I can share with you. This is Ghana. Let's have a look if I got any indicators. I remember doing this. Which one would it be? Let's have a look. Maybe. No, I was on ARB. Let's go to ARB USDT here. There we go. And there we go. Okay, so these are the indicators behind the McGinley. The McGinley, you can get the McGinley indicator off of davidtech.com/indicators. It's free. It's this indicator here. The McGinley dynamic with heartbeat, which is this one here. When price is above it, it goes, we go for longs, and when price is below and it goes red, we're looking for shorts. The other indicators that are involved is the LWPI by Locks. This is a brilliant indicator. It's the Larry Williams Proxy Index. A bit different to other indicators because when it goes below the 0 line, it goes green, and that's where we're looking for longs. I mean, you can see here, this is done a brilliant job. And then we're using the Trend Direction Force Index as a non-correlated indicator. As you can see, there's plenty of places where it's not exactly the same entries. So then the TDFI, when gone green, we're looking for longs. And then it uses the ADX. The ADX is the red over blue, which is ADX is red, the moving average is blue. When it's the red over blue, we're looking for longs. So the indicators that are involved are the McGinley Dynamic Indicator with Heartbeat, which you can find on the David Tech website, the LWPI by Locks, the Trend Direction Force Index, and the ADX. And they're the indicators that are involved in this trading strategy. And you get all of that off of David Tech. Go up to the David Tech, top of David Tech website, and you can find all of the indicators here, free indicators. And normally you'll find the McGinley. Man, can I find it? McGinley. Let's see if I can find it. Nope, can't find it. If it's not on there, I'll add it because it is free and open source. Guys, we're going to continue. That was a quick update on one of the strategies. Did I share this one? Yes, did I share it? Let's have a look to make sure. I think it was a hot. And it was that one there. Yes, it was. Okay, so I've shared that with you guys. We're going to give it a 2 and a hot. Let's go. Continue. 2. Here we go. Continuing. OP USDT. Bit too sideways for me. I'm going to give it a little bit more time. Moving on. We have Gentle Sir on McGinley, as we spoke about a minute ago. We're going to go to not. Moving on. My AI agent is patiently waiting. That one we're going to move on because it has a problem with the data. Wow, Ethereum is pumping. Well, no, yeah, I'm on a 4-hour time frame and Ethereum is pumping. Oh, very quickly. Ethereum. They're all pumping. Okay. Big candles everywhere. Wow, cool. Very nice. When's our TP going to be hit for? Oh, we're going to hit a TP in a minute. Let's see if we hit a TP here. Live on YouTube. Not going to be a big profit, but it'll be profit. First time we've actually managed to get maybe a potential hit profit on a live stream. Gonna continue over here while that's actually trading. Let's go. Come on. Right. McKinley. Wow. Link USD. This was the one you were probably talking about earlier, was it not? 45-minute. This is a different one, but probably I should imagine was maybe the base settings of the one you were talking about, Vlad, or
Could be.
potentially. It could be. I mean, look at that. This is the one that I trade. I trade this on my main portfolio. So yes, I'm going to share this one with everybody in the chat. Remy, one's for you. Go. Right, we're going to put that one as a 5-star. Hot. Come on. Next one, we're moving on. That one. Time. Data. Right. We're going to give that one more time as well. How far we got? 11 left to do. Let's keep going. 83 people watching, guys. If you need any help with algo trading, bot trading, we're here, guys. We are here talking about bots and algo trading, trying to get everybody away from their screens. Gonna keep going. Not. Boom. No, that's not bad. Yeah, potential. Looks good. We've got BTC USDT, a 34% win rate only. Max drawdown of 30%, of profit factor of 1.6. I'll share this one in the chat with everybody. Let's go. Come on, soul. Hit that take profit. Not enough time. Moving on. Good thing about the strategies, as you can see, guys, is that they set everything in the exchange, the take profit, the stop loss, everything was set in advance. So you can see that our entry was one here. And yeah, everything was set directly in advance. Although this is a very, very small position, everything was set in advance. We never know what's going to happen if the market dumps or pumps. So everything is completely set in advance. moving on. We're going to keep going, guys. I'm going to keep sharing these charts with you guys so that you can find some setups easily. Like I said, it's not the most thrilling live stream ever, but at least if you take a couple of charts away, it's worth watching. Let's have a look on TradingView, as there isn't the data for this one. Look at Bitcoin go. Hey, chest up. Have a look. This one is absolutely not going to be one that I'm going to be trading. Where?
Good taste.
Yeah, thanks, mate. Where have I put the actual thing that's here? Right, okay. I'm just waiting for my soul position to... Oh, there you go. It probably closed while I... There we go. Right, not... Next one. Come on, soul. I need the beer money for the weekend, dude. Not gonna even get around with that, unfortunately. This one don't look too bad. There we go. All right, strategy
Perfect.
looking not too bad at all. We have Link USDT. So we've got a couple of setups on Link USDT. 63% win rate, max drawdown 15%. We have a profit factor of 2, and yeah, looking pretty darn good. So I'm gonna send that one to everybody. You should have a couple of decent look at crazy market manipulation. Everything is just jumped across boards. Yeah, absolutely. Just before the weekend, as always. Like you said, looks a bit like manipulation before we go on a weekend, hey? But keeping going. We're gonna keep going because we just bot trade anyway, so it makes no difference to us really whether the market pumps or dumps. We're trading all day, every day. Not gonna keep that one. I think might as well just put that as a knot. We keep going. How many more have we got? Let's go for another 5. Let's go until 5 p.m. Is everybody good with that? We're gonna keep going. So there was a question about the P&L on Telegram. No, it's rolled out this evening and over the weekend. Everybody over the weekend. No, I'm not going to be trading that one there. Worth looking at. Keep going. Here we go. Fed announcement, of course. Yes, of course. I gotta say that looks nice, the great big jump on there, but way too sideways. Yeah, I've put it into like this was optimized by Vlad. That's the worst thing, and I know that Vlad will take it bad if I put it into not Rune USDT. Personally, I wouldn't trade it. I'll put it as a 1 and a hot so that you guys can find it. But I personally wouldn't trade it because it just looks too choppy for me. But moving on, that one didn't work. They've changed the coin pair, so that's a knot. That one looks good. We're on BTC USDT. This looks like the one we were talking about earlier. So that looks like one of the... it's popped up again. I'll put it in as hot. I'll put it as 1. Come on, so it'd be nice if we get a take profit on the stream, even if it is only $50 on that bot. But hey, looks great. This one looks brilliant. I'm gonna share this one on Rune USDT. There we go. A Rune USDT tripled Nexus on T3 Nexus. Yes, of course. Yeah. About more positive than expected. Of course, guys. Yeah, absolutely. Why do a live stream through that? What an idiot. We chose the wrong time of the day, Brad. Absolutely. Right, guys, that was another one that looks absolutely amazing. We're going to continue, and I think we're probably going to leave you to your weekend. There's a couple of extra good setups there we have found together. Like I said, my idea is to build this Excel spreadsheet. We're working on a sheet together, which is this one here. Let me pull up the sheet for you guys, so you can see the Google Sheets. We're working on this sheet together, which is this one here, which is it's got my portfolio on it. It's got my 10,000 to 1 million challenge. I haven't updated it in a while, so I do need to come in and update it. I haven't updated it in 11 days, but you can see how my 1 million to 10,000 to 1 million is going. We've got the bots I'm running on that. I will update also as I'm adding new bots, because I will be adding new bots. You can also find, let me share the link to this, guys, so you can see it. You'll also be able to find the bots that I'm using in the WSOT. Currently, these ones are running and are in drawdown at the moment. So we've had, as you can see, over the last 7 days, we've had a couple of losses in a row. But I'm not worried. I'm not saying that you shouldn't be. Do whatever you feel with those. I'm also looking at these ones here, but whilst I was doing it, I decided to go away and build a plugin for my computer to be able to rate all of them, so that we have a decent sheet with all of the ratings of all of the strategies on DavidTech between 1 and 5, and that way we can come back, we can do some sheets like this here, which is best strategies, which allows us to see potentially which strategies work on multiple markets. Trend who was expected. I think the McGinley was expected, and the stiff surge. Yeah,
Dead zone wasn't expected.
Sorry, the what?
Dead zone wasn't expected.
No, dead wasn't. So yeah, everybody seems to think that was dead, but it seems to be doing all right. I mean, it's got 15 setups. Not bad at all.
I expected the ones with the stiffs will go a little bit higher, like the stiff with the Nexus as well, the T3. But yeah, I mean, we are going to get there, I think.
And unfortunately, the top G by Andrew Tate himself is number 0. So yeah, the strongest of all, holding up the whole team. Then we have the coin pairs that we can trade now. So now we can see there are, how many coin pairs? There are 63 coin pairs potentially that have settings on. So this is pretty cool. We can see which ones have got
Bitcoin is the most popular?
Yep, 60 setups on Bitcoin. I've been saying for weeks that I've not found a single setup on Bitcoin, but there's 60.
You've been looking wrong the whole time.
Yeah, I'm blind. Yeah, so yeah. Ethereum has 43 setups. We have Sol that has 29 strategies on it. AVAX that has 18, ADA that has 13, Near 13, Link 13, Gala 11, MNT, which we were talking about, 11. ARB has 8. I was expecting ARB to have absolutely flipping tons, and Pipe as well, because they both are doing absolutely fantastic. Between these two, I think that this makes up 50% of my the profit of most of my bots at the moment. These two coins, Bonk, AVA, whatever, XLM, Doge. I thought the Doge would have had a couple more as well, because it's doing very, very well. Yeah. And then we have the best strategies. There's the users that have optimized, and just sheet 1, where I can now find which strategies are hot and not, and share them a little bit easier with you guys in this stream and also through Discord. I don't know how we're going to share this. I think that it'll be, first of all, to participating members of DavidTech, anybody that's participated in the past to find strategies and help us. We will share this with you guys as quick as we can, so that you guys can find the best settings as well, and then eventually we'll just add it to the website as a filter, I guess, something like that. Guys, I hope this helps. I hope it helps you to find. We shared 6 setups today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 setups, 9 setups, 10 setups today, 11 or 12, 13, 12 to 13 setups we've shared with everybody today. Hope it helps. I hope that it helps you to find some setups that are profitable on the DavidTech website. Unfortunately, I did bring TD along with us today, but unfortunately, he hasn't been much help, unfortunately. TD, we're about to leave. Have you got anything to say for yourself? Unfortunately, you didn't do a very good job of the live stream today.
Hey, no worries.
It did cut.
It did. No worries. We got no worries, however. This was a little bit of an experiment. I think that we might stop it here. Thank you very much, guys, for joining us. Vlad, have you got anything that you... Don't you cut off as well. I mean, Vlad, you...
All good.
Is there anything you would like to add before we leave for the weekend?
I mean, I would like to wish everybody a very good weekend. Kind of excited for next week with the WSOT starting. Let me just share again the link with everybody.
Not sure.
And
when is the actual main event? What is the actual date of the main events? We're currently in Squad Showdown from the 27th. Yes, the 27th next week. What day is 27th? That's Monday, isn't it? If I remember rightly. Is that right?
Wednesday, like I told you.
Wednesday. Oh yeah, Wednesday. Right. Okay, so that's good. We've got until Wednesday to get all this up and running. I don't know when the individuals are as well. 27th as well. Yeah, so from the 27th next week, guys, we will have everything up and running, ready to go for our squad, making sure that we are doing our best. Currently, like I said, we're not doing a very, very good job at all for the actual preheat. We're in a bit of drawdown, but we will hopefully reverse that drawdown and continue. Wishing you all a wonderful weekend. Thank you very much for joining us. I know that it isn't the most exciting thing to watch in the world, but there is definitely some fantastic settings there. Have a wonderful weekend, and this is where I have to go over to here. We're gonna move this over here, and then I'm gonna go and find the wonderful button on. Take care, guys. Have an absolute wonderful weekend, and I'll see you next week. Take care. Goodbye.